Is it the elephant?
Water.
Yeah, water did come out of that during the summer. It's a little chilly now.
Water.
Water, mm-hmm. Oh, it still does come out. But it's too cold. Okay, just a little. Okay, your face is soaked. Okay, all done, hun. Okay, do you want to go see another animal? He's all done. That's all the water that's coming out. Let's wipe your face off a little bit. Okay. Let's go see another animal.
Whoa!
Whoa. He keeps tricking you. You walk away and he turns on. You watching for him now? He's a trickster. I think it's almost time to go feed the giraffes. Let's see what time it is. 20 minutes. Okay, that's enough because it's too cold to get wet.
Oh.